How can I self-check if my baby is engaged in my pelvis?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how you can self-check if your baby is engaged in your pelvis. As an expecting parent, it's natural to have questions and concerns about your baby's position in preparation for childbirth. Understanding whether your baby is engaged can provide valuable insights into the progress of your pregnancy. So, let's dive in and explore some self-check techniques you can try at home.
Belly mapping.
One popular method to determine if your baby is engaged is called belly mapping. Belly mapping allows you to feel and visualize your baby's position in your womb. To perform belly mapping, follow these steps. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus. 2. Lie down on your back with a pillow supporting your head and neck. 3. Gently apply some oil or lotion to your belly to help your hands glide smoothly. 4. Start by placing your hands on your belly and take a few deep breaths to relax. 5. Slowly explore your belly, paying attention to the shape, hardness, and movements. 6. Notice if you can feel a hard, round object in your pelvis. This could indicate your baby's head. 7. You might also feel softer parts on the sides or top, which could be your baby's back or limbs. 8. If you notice a shift in the shape of your belly and feel less pressure on your diaphragm, it might be a sign that your baby has engaged in your pelvis. Remember, belly mapping is not a diagnostic technique but rather an exploration to gain a sense of your baby's position. If you have any concerns or doubts, consult your healthcare provider.
Pelvic pressure and sensations.
Another way to self-check if your baby is engaged is by paying attention to pelvic pressure and sensations. As your baby descends into the pelvis, you may experience specific changes in your body. Here are a few signs to look out for. 1. Increased pressure in the lower abdomen and pelvis. You might feel a sense of heaviness or pressure low down in your belly. 2. Changes in your bladder and bowel movements. You may notice increased frequency or changes in your urinary habits or bowel movements. 3. Changes in your breath. As your baby moves deeper into your pelvis, you might experience more ease in breathing as there is less pressure on your diaphragm. 4. Relief from heartburn. If your baby's head is pressing on your stomach, you might experience a decrease in heartburn symptoms. It's important to note that every pregnancy is unique, and not all women will experience the same sensations. These signs can give you an idea, but if you have any concerns, always consult with your healthcare provider.
Professional evaluation.
While self-checking techniques can provide useful insights, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider for an accurate assessment. They have the expertise and tools to determine your baby's position more precisely. During routine prenatal visits, your healthcare provider will routinely evaluate the engagement of your baby in your pelvis through palpation and ultrasound if necessary. If you have any concerns about your baby's position or you're unsure of the self-check results, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. They will be able to provide the guidance and support you need throughout your pregnancy journey. Congratulations! You've learned some techniques to self-check if your baby is engaged in your pelvis. Remember, belly mapping, pelvic pressure and sensations, and professional evaluation are all valuable.